front door.
My table is here. My new table is here. Okay, well, I'm gonna move it upstairs.
Yeah.
So, okay. Or maybe I'll film you moving it upstairs.
Yeah, right.
You want to
Try
film
it.
me? You want to
Just
film me
try it.
moving it upstairs?
Do it.
I'm gonna need a chiropractor.
No, like roll it up the corner to corner. No, not yeah. Like push it, yeah, like that.
Okay. Is this funny for you?
Yeah.
Everybody better watch my freaking videos after all this.
What are all these strong muscles for,
There's
if not for
literally gotta be a better way
moving
to do
boxes upstairs?
There's gotta be a better way to do this. Like you can do it.
Nice.
Okay.
Good job.
You can bring it into that room.
You did it.
No.
That's great. So what is it? Tell us what's in the.
So
what's
my
so
other
heavy?
portable table was squeaking and I couldn't fix it. I've adjusted so many people on it that it was like I'm just gonna squeak. So here I am gonna buy a new table, new portable table, and this is my favorite chiropractic table company. And this is one of their portable tables, but it's one of their like super heavy portable tables. So, out of breath. Got this table custom built. I wanted a white one, and it was the only company that I could customize the upholstery on my table. And I customized as much of this as I wanted to, all of the different drops and the pieces, and it's gonna match this room that I put together that has been awaiting my table. So come in and see. So they didn't sponsor this video or anything, but this is Thule Tables, and for all you chiropractors out there that want a new table, this is the third one I have from them, and I'm super happy about the other two. So hopefully I'm gonna be super happy about this one too. They package this thing up like crazy. I got this thing like rush ordered, so it was custom built just the way I wanted it. And I think they're in Wisconsin. And oh man, super excited. This is like the ultimate unboxing. This table is not cheap, so they pretty much packaged it like it's not cheap. It's so pretty. Let's see what the best way to do this is. I think I should cut the top off or just pull it out.
I always cut the corners and stuff, but do you need to keep the box for some reason? Without destroying it? We could just slide it out.
I can like pick it up and like slide it out.
Yeah, you just slide it in
Oh my god, I'm so strong.
there. Just so strong.
From that workout carrying this thing up.
Nice. Look at you go.
It's beautiful!
Wow. All right.
Okay. Do you like it?
So far, it's very cleanly folded. Definitely looks much more engineered than the other one that you have.
Oh, I thought there was no sound. But that was really satisfying, that sound. there's YouTube channels of people who just unbox things.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
This is exactly what we're
I
doing right now.
usually just fast forward to like the last 10 seconds of the video to be like, what the hell is in the box?
Yeah.
But there's something weird and satisfying about opening new things, and this is like one of those times. Do you like this color that I got?
I do though. I do.
I didn't get like the super bright white one, but I got it to like match these
I think it might match those boots you just got too.
I did. I just got some boots this color on purpose to match this table.
Yeah.
This is just packaging stuff. I feel like I could use this to like soundproof this room a little bit more because there's gonna be so much adjusting happening in here. Ooh. Look at that. Here's the directions. Oh, they even sent face paper. Little did they know you can't really use this when you shoot videos, though. That's all you hear. All right. Oh man, I think I don't know. I'm not really an instructions reading person, but I think I can probably just figure this out. So it's put together now. It was a little challenging. It took a while, but it's absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna test it out. I love it. All right. Just see. Tighten this. All right. Let's see. Oh, it's so comfy. As comfy as a chiropractic table can be.
You like this?
I think I was just tired from carrying it up the stairs and putting it together. But yeah, it's nice. It smells new. I'm happy about it. Let's see all the things here. So this piece extends for tall people. And then there should be a few drops on here. So this is like a pelvic drop here. Looser, and then there's a lumbar drop here. Oh gosh, I think that just adjusted me. Okay, and then there's another drop. So my table at my office, which is their elevation table that goes up and down, it doesn't have this lumbar drop. It only has like the pelvic and thoracic one, which is fine because I don't use it too much. It sounded like Velcro. Does that sound like Velcro?
Kinda.
Yeah, okay. There's actually a cervical drop too, but I really don't do cervical drop adjustments, but I'm pretty sure like this drops too if it's adjusted right. Yeah, I'll have to test that on you. All right, so you ready to be the first person adjusted on this table?
Yeah.
All right, awesome.
Oh, real sore right there. On the right. Oh.
Man.
That move a lot. felt like
that and my elbow.
it needed it.
Take a deep breath in. Breathe out of the way. Let's see. I'm not only adjusting you, but I'm also filming this.
Oh, you're pulling it off and filming it?
I am.
That's
I'm trying.
So funny. I was just gonna tell you to do that.
Oh my gosh, I'm moving it
I was
around.
like, you know what? You could be explaining like what you're looking for, doing, accomplishing.
Well, right now I'm trying to film what I'm looking at, and you are not one. You're definitely crooked on the table. So
I feel super
the bottom part of your body is more towards your right.
Is it? Oh, I thought it was more towards my left. Weird.
So I'm gonna actually.
I can tell I'm crooked. I can't tell which way I'm going.
Move to your left a little bit here. Okay. Are you comfortable on there?
Yeah, I'm good.
Kicked your foot?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Oh, man.
Awesome first cervical adjustment on the new table. Yeah. Take a deep breath in again. Breathe out. Actually, it's all moved already. Yeah. It feels pretty good. I'm going to have you lay on your side facing me.
I still need a second. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. That was a good one.
So I got this table a little bit higher than I probably should have, but...
Why? Because you're going to adjust people in heels?
Yes.
It's your fancy table? Your tall boots?
Yes. That's why I got those platform boots to
Yeah,
begin
like
with.
the
Yeah.
platform boots.
Yeah. Is this relaxed here?
Yeah, I
All right,
think so.
breathe in. Breathe out.
Okay.
There we go.
There. That's perfect position.
Gosh, this is... Why is this so tight?
I'm just a big, tight boy, I guess. I don't know. I remember the athletic trainers and the chiropractors at my college. Whenever they were working on us, they would say the same thing. They were like, "Jeez, dude, like."
Breathe in.
They were full-grown men.
Breathe in.
It's big.
Hear that? Let's see.
Oh yeah.
Oh, man!
They were all over there. Wow.
Did I get like a high five for that one or something? Oh man.
Oh man. Yeah,
For some reason, this is everyone's favorite part.
Oh, we're doing the feet?
Yes. Scoot up that way a bit.
Great.
Actually, this is probably one of my favorite areas to adjust to. I'm gonna go ahead and admit it. Feet and ankles are fun to adjust.
I like this table.
Do you? Tell me why.
But I mean, it just doesn't move.
Yeah, it's pretty solid.
Like,
you pay for it to be pretty solid.
I wasn't sure how they were gonna do it.
Keep your leg relaxed. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Ooh. Nice. Ooh. Tip of that one popped.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The whole thing did.
There he goes. Did you?
Yeah.
It was like a weird, like half inside pop. It was strange. We'll just blow past that one. Ooh, do it again, please.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think I was flexing my ankle.
Stay relaxed.
Ooh,
There we
That
go.
was what I was
Good.
talking about.
Here, why don't you,
Or I hold it.
Yeah.
She truly does it just for you guys. Oh, yep. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Nice.
All right.
Both my shoulders just popped. That's weird.
Hold on. You didn't hold on very well.
Hold on. Oh, like actually
No, like
hold
on.
Not like time-wise, like.
There.
Oh,
Ooh,
yeah.
yes.
Oh, boy. That was a lot. Oh. Who's right? Whew.
All right, let's do this one.
Okay. Oh, yeah, okay.
Jeez.
That one only did it halfway.
You are getting your butt kicked.
That one only did it halfway.
That moved quite a bit. What do you mean it
but
did it halfway?
It only did it halfway.
You are a difficult patient.
Like 70%.
Okay, we'll
There's
do it again.
30%
We'll do it
left.
again. We'll do it
At
again.
least. At least. There's just a little bit more.
Keep your leg relaxed.
Oh yeah, that was it. Great. I felt it
This-
go completely out.
this
and completely
is-
back in that time.
This is the conversation when you've been getting adjusted for
Perfect.
a while, and you know.
Like multiple times a week, sometimes a day for the last 4 years. Just
Well, do you recommend it?
your adjustments for sure. 100%. Yeah. Best adjustments I've ever had.
I didn't pay you to say that either. Let me see this
Yeah,
now.
no. 5-star review. Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's still not that bad. Your elbows are never really too big of a problem.
Yeah.
It's like the one part of you that's usually fine.
Since I got the standing desk, they've not had any problems.
Okay.
And,
Put your hand here.
and $1,000
Go like
chair.
this.
Okay. Yeah. I'm doing it. I'm a little teapot, right?
Keep your hand here.
Yeah.
And go back against my hand here.
Pour me out.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Do it one more time. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, they're good. They're just solid shoulder. These shoulders are great. I got great shoulders. Right. I know it. You know it. We all know it. Just look at them. Just like, give me a couple weeks. They'll be better.
You're ruining this video now.
Good job. Way to do it.
Yeah. It's hot in here.
What a boss.
Yeah.
What a babe.
I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like my table. Let me know in the comments how much you like my table. I hope you guys are looking forward to all the awesome videos that we're going to be shooting on this great table. And thank you, Tuli, for building my third amazing chiropractic table.
Good job.